x squared plus 42 over x is greater than or equal to 13. Let's have a little look at this one then. Now the x will flip sign. If we just consider x as positive, then we can move this up. So we'll consider this half-line segment first as the context for the first part of the problem. So here then, what have we got? We've got x squared plus 42, and now we can simply move this up. It's greater than or equal to 13x, because we're considering the problem in this context. So this is positive, so it won't change the inequality. And this gives, move the 13x over, 42 is greater than or equal to 0. And we can factorise this, can't we? 6 sevens, 42, and 6 and 7 add up to 13. So we can see that we've got two roots at 7 and 6. It's a U-shaped quadratic, so I'll just put it in. Oops, that's supposed to be 6 and that's supposed to be 7. So here we've got 6 and 7, and we can see that this quadratic is greater than or equal to 0 when x is less than, see it, greater than 0, less than or equal to 6, and x is bigger than or equal to 7. So we're only looking at the positive half line, x is greater than 0. So here, combining this solution set with the context of the problem, we see that we have 0 is less than x is less than or equal to 6. So that's fine, provided that x is bigger than 0, and the x is bigger than 7. Is also no problem at all with that, because it is unaffected by the x being positive. So there's our solution set for the first part of the problem. Let's turn our attention to the second part of the problem when x is negative. In this case then, when x is negative, when we move it up, x squared plus 42, and it flips the inequality around, doesn't it? And we've got 13x here. So now we can move the 13x over just as we did before. We've factorised this already, so that moves over just as we did before, and we can factorise again as above. 6 and 7 with a minus and a minus, but this time it's less than or equal to 0. So in this section, when the curve is less than 0, let's just have a quick look at it. It must lie between 6 and 7. So in this case here, x can go up to 7. Because it's less than or equal to 0, it can touch 7, and it can go down to 6 and touch 6. So there's our solution set, but it's in the context of x being negative, and there's no overlap, is there? This does not overlap at all with this segment that we're considering, so no solutions. So no solutions in this section. Consequently, we've only got solutions from the previous case that we considered, and that was when we had the solutions just mentioned here. 0 is less than x is less than or equal to 6, and x can be bigger than or equal to 7. Okay.